अ वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स। अपने लास्ट क्लास में मैंने आप सभी को कॉमन, प्रॉपर एंड एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन के बारे में बताया था। ठीक है, बेसिकली आई हैव टॉट यू अबाउट कॉमन एंड प्रॉपर and not about abstract nouns, so we'll discuss later about it, and we have done this part. Now today we are going to start with exercise. I hope you all have gone through this, as I have said you all earlier to go through this so that you will be aware of what are proper nouns, what names are proper nouns. Okay, so students, today we are going to see number A, write whether the following are common or proper noun. Okay, so Jack is the name of a person. Okay, so it's a proper noun. If we are going to say Jack, then only Jack will come, nobody else will come, so Jack is a proper noun. Then it is muffin is common noun because it is a thing, common noun. Beehive is common noun because it is a home of bees, so it is a common noun. Easter is a proper noun which comes in Christmas. Okay, Easter, proper noun. Library is like we can talk about any of the library room. Okay, so library, it's a common noun. Shop, again it is a, like we can talk about any of the shop, so it is a common noun. Harry Potter is the name of a person, so it is a proper noun. June is the name of a month, so it is a proper noun. Donald is the name of a cartoon character, so it is a proper noun. Market is a, like any market, so it is a common noun. So students, in this manner you have to write proper noun and common noun. Okay, now in the second exercise, it is circle the proper noun and underline the common noun. What it has been said that you have to circle the proper noun and underline the common noun. Okay, so now we are going to start with the first sentence. My cousin gave me the book The Three Musketeers. Okay, over here cousin is like any of your brother and sister, so it is a common noun, so we have to underline it. Book, again it is a common noun, but the name of the book, The Three Musketeers, it is a proper noun because it is a proper name of a book, so we are going to circle it. Okay, in the second sentence, Nisha and Beena are sisters. So Nisha and Beena is a name of a girl, so over here Nisha and Beena is a proper noun, but sister is a common noun. Okay, so sister is underlined. Bruno is a small dog, but he likes to fight with big dogs. Okay, so over here dog is a common noun, but the name of a dog Bruno is a proper noun, so Bruno circle, dog underline, and again dogs underline because it is a common noun. Sheba likes to wear dresses, but Shruti likes to wear saris. Over here there is two names of the girl and two things. Okay, so dresses and saris is a thing, so dresses and sari will be a common noun, and Shruti and Sheba will be a proper noun because it is a name of a girl. The Mona Lisa is a famous painting, so the Mona Lisa will be a, it is a name of a famous painting, so the Mona Lisa will be a proper noun and painting will be a common noun because painting means any painting. Okay, then Ramdini is my neighbor. Okay, I hope you all have neighbors. So what do you mean by neighbor? That neighbor is a common noun, but over here we have mentioned that Ramdini is my neighbor, so Ramdini will be a proper noun. Dayaram and Sukhi are clever carpenters. Okay, so over here Dayaram and Sukhi is a name of a person, so it is a proper noun, and carpenter means any carpenter, so it will be a common noun. Okay, Delhi is the capital of our country. What it is written? Delhi is the capital of our country. So Delhi is a proper noun, but capital, that means it is a, it can be any city. Okay, so it can be capital of any city, so capital will be common noun and country will also be a common noun. Okay, Sunita plays the piano and Sunidhi is a singer. So Sunita and Sunidhi is a name of a person, so Sunita and Sunidhi will be a proper noun, and Sunita plays the piano, so piano will be a common noun, and singer means any singer, so it is a common noun. So students, for today we are going to do only A and B. In my next class I am going to explain you about abstract nouns, and then we are going to do the exercise of this. Okay students, I will be sending you the PDF along with the video, so I hope you will see the video and you will try to understand with the help of your parents and do your task. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.